We've completed the leak detection on the swimming pool and found a few issues. There's a crack just below the top mosaic running from there all around along the spool, and water seeping through that crack. This is where the crack is on that line there. You can see there's no grouting. At that section there, it actually drops down to the middle mosaic. Just to show you, this is where the crack is, so water will leak out to that level. We found a leak on just next to the weir here. You can see the dye is getting sucked into that hole. They've used putty here. That's a short-term solution. It only lasts a couple of weeks. We have noticed some places on the floor the Marbalite is getting thin and it shows concrete, so water is also penetrating into the concrete structure, and that is also what's happening along this mosaic line. Water is entering into the hairline crack, into the structure, and this is causing the structure to actually become weak, and the pool will basically just fall apart. We've tested all the pipes. 3 lines is okay. They're on the return. There's a leak right here below the pump box. This leak needs to be fixed, and then we test again afterwards to see if there's a second leak on the line. Our equipment, or the leak detection equipment, can only find one leak at a time, so we've repaired the pipe and test again. So the plan is, you've got 2 options. One option is to remove all the grouting on the mosaic and redo it with a waterproof crack filler, and option 2 is just to redo the spool in a fiberglass lining, which I recommend because it will be bulletproof and it will last 8 years, if not longer. Lots of mosaics are missing. Also, there you can see the hairline crack running there, mosaic missing there, mosaics missing there. Also, there's mosaics missing on this line. Water's penetrating into the structure and weakening the structure, and you know, this pool, if it's kept like this, will basically start breaking. There's another, there you can see the hairline crack right there. No grouting. Water's entering into it, pulling into the structure, and more issues will occur in the near future if this is not attended to. Thank you.